What did we make? Uh-oh. What did we make? What is it? A chain.
A chain.
Tell Christmas.
For Christmas.
Which one's Christmas? The big yellow one at top.
This one.
And which one is the day we go to Nana's house?
This one, the red one?
The other yellow one.
This one?
Yep, and that's also Mommy's birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Can you sing Away in a Manger?
Away in a manger, no craft for his bed, while little Jesus
Lay
asleep
down.
on the hay.
Lay down his sweet head.
The stars ahead with what there were he late.
The
When